That's right. 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. We sent out the SOS call. It was 4:15 in the morning when the storm broke our second anchor line. 4 months at sea, 4 months of calm seas to be pounded in the shallows off the tip of Montauk Point. They calm roads, they travel fast and alone. 100-foot faces of God's good ocean gone wrong. What they call love is a risk, 'cause you'll always get hit out of nowhere by some wave and end up on your own. The hole in the hull defied the crew's attempt to bail us out. It flooded the engines and radio, half-buried bow. Your tongue is a rudder, steers the whole ship, sends your words past your lips, keeps them safe behind your teeth. But the wrong words will strand you, come off course while you sleep, sweep your boat out to sea, or dash to bits on the reef. Vessel groans, the ocean pressures its frame. To the port I see the lighthouse through the sleet and the rain. And I wish for one more day to give my love and repay debts. The morning finds our bodies washed up 30 miles west. They say that the captain stays fast with the ship through still and storm. But this ain't the Dakota, and the water's cold, won't have to fight for long. This is the end. This story's old, but it goes on and on until we disappear. Call me, let me taste the salt you breathe while you are underneath. I am the one who haunts your dreams of mountains sunk below the sea. I spoke the words but never gave a thought to what they all could mean. I know that this is what you want. A funeral keeps both of us apart. You know that you are not alone. Need you like water in my lungs. This story's old, but it goes on and on until we disappear. Call me, let me taste the salt you breathe while you are underneath. I am the one who haunts your dreams of mountains sunk below the sea. I spoke the words but never gave a thought to what they all could mean.